I'm Susan Tousi, Senior Vice President and Chief Product Officer at Illumina. Genomics is a foundation of personalized medicine. The value that a person's individual genome represents has driven physicians, researchers, and nations to accelerate the use of next-generation sequencing in order to advance our collective knowledge and directly impact health on a global level. But this does not come without challenges. The ability to securely manage this data at scale requires expert skills, diligence, and continuous management. Today, I will cover how Illumina, in partnership with AWS, is helping our customers address these challenges. Over the past decade, the technology innovations delivered by companies such as Illumina to accurately sequence the human genome have driven remarkable medical advancements, including non-invasive prenatal testing, rare disease diagnosis, and companion diagnostics. But as far as we've progressed, we have only begun to understand the complexities that lie within it. Even with broad adoption of sequencing, as of today, we have only characterized a fraction, 0.1%, of observed genomic variation. This limited view has still unlocked understanding across a variety of disease and health risk factors and has the power in the future to deliver individualized patient insights across the complete spectrum of human health, from conception to end of life. As we continue to make new discoveries, we will be able to extract more and more insights out of every genome. And that wealth of information holds the answers to our most pressing health concerns and enables precision medicine. This promise is why we continue to see massive adoption of sequencing around the world. Since the beginning of Illumina's quest to unlock the power of the human genome, we have seen a drastic decrease in sequencing costs drive an exponential growth of sequencing. Today, a human genome can be sequenced for only $600 and in less than 24 hours on the NovaSeq 6000. This accessibility is accelerating population-scale sequencing and further expanding the wealth of genomics data at our fingertips. At this time, there are more than 50 population-scale sequencing initiatives underway globally. From the UK to Japan, Brazil to Finland, China, and the US, the diversity and scale of these initiatives brings a whole new level of genomics data, and we are only at the beginning of understanding what all this data means for precision health. As population-level initiatives begin processing hundreds of thousands of samples, scale quickly becomes a bottleneck. To break the next barrier of genomic insights globally, we need to effectively manage this massive volume and velocity of data. To help customers overcome this data challenge, we built Illumina Connected Analytics, ICA. ICA offers customers a comprehensive, scalable, and secure data platform with a sophisticated data science environment. And with AWS Cloud services, we have the ability to scale customer operations to support petabytes of data and hundreds of thousands of whole genomes processed every year. The storage and access of data is one of the first hurdles when trying to scale. With ICA, customers can import data directly from their sequencers, uploaded via our CLI or API, access publicly available databases, or even connect directly to their own S3 bucket. This allows for the flexibility and control required by advanced users, as well as more comprehensive data management for out-of-the-box end-to-end solutions. But the ability to manage data is only the beginning. The true value is unlocked as customers begin to analyze the data. To ensure accurate and rapid results, ICA harnesses the power and throughput of the Dragon Bio IT platform for accelerated analysis to deliver exceptional accuracy, reduce turnaround time, and maximize throughput. Dragon's acceleration and accuracy of mapping is supported by our graph genome analysis, which updates the reference to incorporate known genetic variation. This can improve the accuracy of read alignments in difficult regions of the genome, like repeats. The value of this was seen in the 2020 Precision FDA Challenge, where Dragon won the award for difficult to map and all benchmark regions. Improvements currently in development show false positive, false negative error reductions of 50% for SNPs and 27% for indels versus on-market pipelines. AWS helps democratize access to this technology through the deployment of F1 FPGA instances around the world and the ability to access Dragon through the AWS Marketplace. For data exploration and collaboration, Illumina is investing in machine learning and is already seeing the impact of this on call accuracy with a reduction in SNP error rate by up to 50%. The same methodology will be expanded to structural and copy number variants. As machine learning helps us to elucidate more actionable content of the genome, the ability to directly call these complex patterns of genomic variants, such as star alleles, accountable for drug metabolism, will accelerate impact of genomics in the clinic. The impact of these innovations are only realized when we have partners leveraging our tools, like the University of Melbourne Centre for Cancer Research, UMCCR. The mission of UMCCR is to drive innovation and implementation for clinical impact in cancer care. Led by Professor Sean Grimman, the UMCCR is working to accelerate improved outcomes for cancer patients through the use of genomic information in understanding cancer disease development and targeting therapies. In order to achieve their goals, they needed a scalable, commercially supported, cloud-based environment for running and sharing analysis workflows and reporting genomic data. By combining the UMCCR in-house tools, Dragon technology, ICA, and the AWS Cloud computing infrastructure, they were able to quickly scale their operations and meet their turnaround requirements while maintaining industry-leading accuracy and simplifying their accreditation process. But scalability is only a portion of customers' data management needs. In order to have the confidence required to store their data in the cloud, customers expect continuously increasing levels of security and compliance. As more initiatives like population-wide studies are leveraging the cloud, we see an increasing amount of pressure and focus on data security. The data security landscape is rapidly changing with global and regional security requirements to combat data breaches. Navigating the evolving landscape and requirements to protect sensitive data is challenging without a team of experts, so we made it our priority to reduce the burden of data security for our customers and their patients. Addressing enterprise-level security and privacy is core to all Illumina products. At the very foundation, we are able to count on the AWS shared responsibility model to ensure that our underlying cloud infrastructure maintains enterprise levels of security and compliance globally. On top of that, we demonstrate our ability to maintain data security through the attainment of compliance certifications like ISO 13485 and ISO 27001, as well as compliance with HIPAA and GDPR standards. Beyond this, we offer modern security features like single sign-on and multi-factor authentication to ensure that customers are in control of their data. All of this provides customers with peace of mind that their sensitive data is secure, so they can focus on the science to advance precision health. Genomics has already made a huge impact on human health. Today, both commercial entities and healthcare systems like 23andMe and Mudo are already using genomic assessment of heredity risk to empower the general population to take an active role in their own well-being. Illumina products like TSO 500 enable therapy selection in oncology. All of this represents substantial achievement and scientific breakthroughs, but the future has never had more potential. We have the opportunity to expand into comprehensive genomic profiling, disease and infection monitoring, and ultimately into multimodal analysis driven by massive multiomic datasets. As we gather more data, progress our analysis capabilities, and develop new insights, we will be able to continue to unlock the power of the genome and ultimately have the capability to deliver healthier, fuller lives for people across the globe. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to continuing the conversation and action on this topic with all of you.